We're going up. We're going to continue to go up. No one's going to stop this grind. I will continue to work through everything in life. Point blank, period. My life is not easy whatsoever. My life is the hardest it's ever been at this very moment, but you would never see me stop fucking working. Ever. I don't give a fuck what I'm going through.
What if I told you you're only 6 months away from the life you've always dreamed of? The money, the body, the mindset, but only on one condition. You have to show up every fucking day from here on out. Up until now, that's not a price you've been willing to pay. But the reality is, there are graveyards full of